College Gym Vids fan going live on YouTube. It's still Bacon Day because it's still December 30th. So I'm going to put my bacon in the microwave. It's cooking. It's a Hamilton Beach red microwave. Had it since last Christmas. Or maybe it was the Christmas before, I don't remember. I might take it out early. That microwave makes some noise while it's in there. Probably the bacon moving around. Gonna let it cook a little bit more. 4 pieces of bacon really shrinks in there. It beeps when it's done. Now I folded the thing up. Now look at all that grease in there. This is what the bacon looks like cooked. Peace out, YouTube.